Peace mga treasure. So ito na, dumating na yung napanalunan natin sa isang palaro online. And I'm going to unbox it para makita nyo kung ano siya. Well, medyo, ayan, as you can see, nahirapan ako magbukas kasi very secured, very well packed. Kudos to the sender. Napaka ganda ng pagkaka-sealed mo ng item para protected talaga siya. So ayan, binubuksan ko na yung main cover, pero inside of it, I think protected pa rin naman siya. So ayan, ang hirap buksan. And there you have it. Okay na, bukas na yung first seal ng item natin. So ayan na, kinukuha ko na yung item and there you go. So it's an NBA card, rookie card of Jordan Hall with autograph. Very wow. Gem certified. So ayan yung nakuha natin. If you want to know and see more, stay tuned for the next episode. See ya!